clicking on this video, and welcome to Lazy Cooking with Sabrina. And in this video here, I am cooking a Fiesta style, kind of a Santa Fe style casserole. So yeah, actually it's a Santa Fe chicken style casserole. If you guys like these type of recipes, definitely make sure you're subscribed, and definitely don't be stingy with the recipes. Share, like, and comment. And enough of this talking, let's get into the video. Alright, you're going to need 1 can of corn. You're going to need also a can of rinsed black beans. You're also going to mix in some sour cream. I put about, like I told you, I don't really measure, so I put like a half a cup of sour cream, about a cup of salsa, and I'm gonna say about a tablespoon or so of onion powder and garlic powder. And then I also put in some, later on I'll put in some cumin, but I'll show you that later. Right now I'm just mixing that all in. All right, I put about 2 teaspoons of cumin, and I'm gonna put about one whole teaspoon of chili powder. I also boiled about 2 cups of macaroni noodles, maybe a little bit over 2 cups of macaroni noodles, and then I just mixed that in there. And then I also, I don't know if you watched that video, but I'm gonna have a link in the description box, and it should also pop up. I meal prepped my meat, and I had some chicken taco meat that I already had cooked in my freezer, and I also added that in there. But any leftover chicken that you have, or heck, you can even put ground beef in there, will do just fine. And then once I mix it all in there, I take some cheese that I have, and then I just sprinkle it on top. I do have my oven set to about 350. That's just a really good temperature for my oven, but you may have to do more or less just depending on your oven. And then I set that sucker in the oven until the cheese is nice and melted and looking golden brown. This is super delicious. It's also a really easy meal that you can put in the freezer and cook for later. My kids absolutely love it. If you like this type of recipe, definitely go ahead and like, comment, share, and do all that good stuff. Make sure you are subscribed. I appreciate all the love, support you guys show my channel, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. And as always, guys, God bless. Mwah.